Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorial how to convert circle to polyline. For example, I will create circle, and if you want to convert this circle into polyline, first you need to break the circle object, type break, press enter, and then I will click start from this point to here. After it, use edit command, type edit, press enter, select the object and enter. After it, you can type C, enter, and then enter again to close. So the circle will be automatically convert into polyline. Okay, that's it for basic Draftsight tutorial, how to convert circle to polyline. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.